Hey guys, welcome to Drew Tutorial. If you are new here, special welcome. In this video, I will show you how to completely uninstall or delete app or games from BlueStacks. So the first thing that we are going to do is to of course open our BlueStacks first. So once you open it, what you're going to see right here is the apps that we have on BlueStacks. Now to delete an app or game, so let's say for example that we want to delete this Messenger app right here. So the first thing that we can do right here is to first go into our settings. So just open your settings right here and then just look for the apps. After that, just scroll down and then look for Messenger or the app that you want to uninstall. And then once you see it, just click on it and then just click on uninstall right here. Now, the second way to delete it is to open our Play Store. So open Play Store right here, and then on the search bar, we're going to search for Messenger. And then after that, once you search for Messenger, just click this and then you will see the uninstall button. So once you click it, it will now be also uninstalled into your device. Now the last one and easiest way to delete our app is to just hold the app right here and then you will see this uninstall button. So once you click uninstall, just click on OK right here. So that is basically it.